Good morning, Victoria. I hope you have a great day today. So all that I've done so far with my hair is just blow dry it. And what I do, I use a comb. Just got it from Walmart. It came in a pack of a lot of combs. But I part my hair before I dry it so that it establishes a clear part. It makes it easier when you go to style your hair. So while your hair is still wet, just brush it out, get all the tangles out, and then what I do is I brush everything straight back, and then I find my part and I just take my comb, and since I've done it so much, it easily just kind of falls into place when I'm doing it. But if you do it while your hair is still wet, it establishes a very straight part, sorry. And then when you go to blow dry your hair, after it's dry, it still stays. So then I use just my straightener, and I know it kind of makes no sense to use a straightener to curl, but I find that it works best for me. And what I do is I just kind of pull on my hair to get the shorter layers to come out. Those are my bangs, and I set the rest aside for right now. And see, I do it this way once it gets longer. Since yours are short, since you just got it cut, what you're going to want to do is take the straightener and go as close to your head as you possibly can and just kind of do a U shape, like a rainbow, and it should do your hair. You know, you may have to do it a couple times, and you don't want to hold it too slow. You would, because if you do it too slow, it's going to make like this giant weird curl. So just kind of, you may have to do it a couple of times to get it to look the way that you want it to, but since my hair is growing out more, it doesn't exactly give it the look that I want. So just a trick for you, once your hair starts growing out, what I do is just get it, and I take some of the longer so that you can make it layer as well, and hold it straight up, take your straightener, bring it all the way down, and you're going to curl it backwards all the way through, and then it kind of gives it that outward curl, and it kind of helps the layers form easier too. And like I said, since I don't have the shorter layers anymore, that's why I do it this longer way, for longer layers. And then if I just want more movement throughout the rest of my hair, just take your straightener and just curl everything backwards, and you want to make sure you do it all the way to the ends of your hair to give it more body.
Explain that little twist you're doing right there.
Okay, and then after you do your curl, I like to just twist it back. It just helps the curl keep its form. So like when I do my twist, do it all the way out. If you just let it drop, it doesn't curl. It doesn't form that full curl. So I just twist my finger in the direction that the curl is going, and then just give it a little shake to relax it, and that gives it a little more movement. And then over on this side, which I always do on this side too, just to make it equal and even looking, just gonna take it, and I'm throwing the rest behind and just doing like a 90-degree turn with the straightener and doing it all the way out. And then you just twist your hair in the direction that that curl goes to help it keep its form. And we'll do it again. And you can do this as many times as you want. You can do it all the way around your head if you want. But this one, I don't have time for that. And then, like I said, just play with your bangs, and the more you do it, the easier it will come to you. It may take you a couple tries before it even looks decent, but don't give up. Alrighty.